This is called a Respiclick. The medicine in here is a really tiny powder. You were given this medicine as part of a way to help you breathe better and maybe not cough as much. Because you are the most important member of the team that's working to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this Respiclick way down into your lungs so it can help you. The first thing I want you to do is to look here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another Respiclick. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the Respiclick with the white part pointing up. Open the cap wide open until you hear a click like this. Never ever shake it because the powder will spill out. Now it's ready to use. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this medicine because then the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. Now hold the Respiclick away from your mouth. Breathe out all the way like you're blowing out a candle. Be sure to never ever blow into the hole of the Respiclick because you'll blow the powder out. After you've blown all the air out of your lungs, keep your head up, put the Respiclick in your mouth, close your lips around it like you would a straw. Don't cover up these holes with your lips or fingers. Now take a fast, deep breath in through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore like this. After you breathe in, take the Respiclick away from your mouth, close your lips, and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking up to 10 times very slowly, or continue to count in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath any longer, then breathe out slowly. Close the cover and make sure you hear a click so you know it's closed like this. If your instructions say to take another puff, open the cap and do everything again like you did before. Your doctor or nurse or pharmacist will tell you if you need to rinse out your mouth after using your Respiclick. If you forget, ask an adult. If they say yes, you need to rinse out your mouth, then swish water around in your mouth and spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will help keep you from getting white stuff in your mouth called a fungus. We don't want any fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the Respiclick in a dry place and don't ever put it in water.